Hi children, how are you all? Okay, good. Children, in the last class, what we discussed? Yes, we discussed greater than, less than and equal to. Yes, in Zoom live class. Are you completed these pages, textbook pages? Okay. Now, the children, remaining pages are there in the chapter 3. What are they? Ascending order and descending order. Yes, children? Ah. Now, children, today ascending order. First, I explain. After that, we go to textbook pages. Okay, children? Now, tell me, children, what do you mean ascending order? Yeah. When we arrange numbers from small number to big number. From small number to big number. Okay, children? For example, look at here. Now, see, I have 4 flowers, right? This is A, B, C, D, right? Now, children, you can arrange these flowers ascending order. Okay, ascending order means we arrange small to big, smallest to biggest, numbers, things, flowers, whatever. Okay, children. Now we can arrange flowers. Which is the smallest one? In these 4 flowers, compare these all 4 flowers. Which is the smallest one? Small a. Okay, small a. After that, now it's over. Now B and C and D. You compare these 3 flowers. Which is the smallest one? This one? Yes, this one. This one only. So C. Okay. Now this one also over. Now tell me dear, B and D is there. Which is the smallest flower? B or D? B. Okay. Last D. Okay children. Are you understand? Now. Like that numbers also see. First 3, 9, 5, 7. We have 3, 9, 5, 7. You can arrange ascending order. What do you mean ascending order? When we arrange numbers, small number to big number, right? In these 4 numbers, we have only single digits, no? See, 3, 9, 5, 7. These are single digits. These are single digits. Now, tell me children, which is the smallest number? 3. 3 over. Now, 9, 5, 7. Which is the smallest number? 5. 5. Now, 9 and 7 is there. Which is the smallest number? 7. After that, 9. This is it. Ascending order. Means we arrange numbers from small number to big number. This will also write like this only. Stepwise. Okay. 3. 5. 7. 9. Okay children. Now one more example. 13, 28, 19, 11. Now, see, look at here children. We have 13, 28, 19 and 11. Now, you can arrange in ascending order. What do you mean ascending order? When we arrange numbers, small number to big number. Now, tell me children, here we have all 2 digits. Yes? Now, see children. First, we compare ones place numbers, tens place numbers. Then, see, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. In tens place numbers, we compare. Here 2 only is there, remaining all 1, 1 is there. Okay. This is limit. After that, here 3. We go to ones place numbers for comparison. 3, 9, 1. Which is the smallest number? 1, 9, 3. 1. So 11 is a small number. So this is over. Now here 3, here 9 is there. Right? Which is the smallest number? 3 means 13. Now here next 19. Last 28. We can arrange like this on the steps. 11, 13, 19, 28. Okay children, are you understand? Next, descending order. Now, children, descending order. Descending order means opposite. When we arrange numbers from big number to small number. Okay? From big number to small number. Now, for example, now see here we have 4 balls. Yes? Okay. This is capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. These names. Now tell me children, what do you mean in descending order? When we arrange big to smallest, biggest to smallest. Okay, now tell me dear, which is the biggest letter? Yeah, number A. Right? Next, it's over. Now B and C and D is there. Now tell me dear, compare these 3 balls. Which is the biggest ball? D. Okay, it's over. Now compare B and C. Which is the biggest ball? Only these 2 balls with comparison. Because these are over. So B. Last C. Okay children, are you understand? Now, like that. Now, number 7, 3, 9, 5. Here we have all single digits, right? We have all single digits. Now we arrange descending order, right? What do you mean descending order? When we arrange numbers from big number to small number, right? Now tell me children, which is a big number here? Yeah, 9. So 9 is a first. It's over. Now 7, 3, 5 is there. You compare these 3 numbers. Which is a big number? 7, right? So 7. Now we compare 3 and 5. Which is a big number? Number 5. It's over. Last 3. Children, are you understand? This one you can write the steps. 9, 7, 5, 3. Okay? One more example. 72, 58, 96 and 84. See, look at here children. 72, 58, 96, 84. We have all 2-digit numbers. Now we arrange in descending order. Descending order means when we arrange numbers from big number to small number, right? Now tell me children, which is a big number here? So it's very big numbers, no? Yeah, confused. First of all, you can mention place values. Okay children? Why? Because first of all, we compare tens place numbers only. Tens place numbers means 7, 5, 9, 8. Okay? Now tell me children, which is a big number it is here? 7, 5, 9, 8. Which is a big number? 9. So 96 is a big number. Number 96. So it's over. Now compare 7, 5 8. Which is a big number? 8. So, what is the big number? 84. Now, 7 and 5. Which is a big number? Number 7, right? So, number 72, big number. Last, 58. Okay, children, it's very easy for you, right? On the steps, you can write like this. 96, 84, 72 and 58. Children, are you understand about descending order? Okay, we can start the textbook pages now. Now, look at here, children. Ascending order. When numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest. Just now I explained now what is the meaning of ascending order. Ascending order means when we arrange numbers from smallest to biggest. It is called ascending order. Here, for example, it is there. What is that example? 12, 17 and 20. There here, they arrange it only smallest to biggest. What is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number here? Compare these three numbers. Which is the smallest one? 12. After that, see 12. 17 and 20 is there. Which is the smallest number? 17. Last, 20. We can arrange like that only. Okay, children. More examples here. Now here, we are taking things only. See. Here, balls, trees, vehicles are things. Sticks and steps. See, if can also be written from left to right in an increasing order. Children, what is the meaning of increasing order? Increasing order means nothing but ascending order. Ascending order means we can write smallest number to biggest number or smallest vehicle to biggest vehicle. Wherever, whatever things are numbers, alphabets, whatever. Okay, children? Now, alphabets means 2-letter words, 3-letter words is there, no? Like that only we can arrange like that only. See, first of all, smallest to biggest. Then see here, they arrange the balls, smallest ball to biggest ball. And here, trees are here, shortest tree to tallest tree. You know these about these things all because pre-math concept it is over now. Already it is done in the first chapter, right? So here they are taking only things. Now here lightest to heaviest. Lightest key, lock, scooter, car and truck. Which is the lightest vehicle? Which is the lightest thing? See, which is the lightest thing? Here only key. After that lock, scooter, car. Which is the heaviest vehicle? Truck. So it's very heaviest vehicle, no? Now here sticks. Thinnest to thickest. Thin means see like that. Thick means very fat. Yes or no? Like that only. See, thinnest to thickest. This stick very thin, and this stick compared to these all sticks, this one only thick, right? Next, see here, children. Here all steps are there. In that first one step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps. We can go up first. Where you start from? From one only, no? So we are going to ascending. Ascending means we can arrange smallest number to we are going to biggest number. Okay, here only from 1 to 20 numbers are there. So smallest to biggest. Which is the smallest number? 1. Which is the biggest number? 20. Okay, children, are you understand? Now, children, exercise 3.6. Look at here. Write the given numbers in ascending order. The first one has been done for you. First one also done. See, 25, 32, 90, 12 is there. We can arrange ascending order. Ascending order means we know that one, right? What do you mean ascending order? We can arrange numbers, smallest number to biggest number. Now here see 25, 32, 90, 12. So first of all, we can compare tens place numbers. Yes, we have here totally 2 digits. Only 2 digits. Okay. Now we compare only tens place numbers. Tens place numbers 2, 3, 9, 1. Which is the smallest one? 1 only, no? So 12th we can write first. So 12 over. Now 25, 32, 90. 25, 32. Which is the smallest number? 2, 3, 9. Which is the smallest one? 2. 2 means 25. So 25 you can mention. Okay children. After that 32 and 90. 3 and 9 is there. Which is the smallest one? Compare these two numbers. Now see 32 and 90. So which is the smallest one? 3 to 32. So we can mention 32. After that last one 90. Now children again 24, 72, 50 and 81. Now we can arrange ascending order. What do you mean ascending order? We can arrange numbers smallest number to biggest number. Here we have all 2 digits, right? So first you can mention place values ones and tens. Ones and tens, ones and tens, ones and tens. Take a pencil and write tens place values, okay? Don't write with pen. Only take your pencil and write down. See, first we can compare only tens place numbers. Okay children? Now what are tens place numbers? 2, 7, 5, 8. Children, which number is smallest number? Tell me. 2, 7, 5, 8. 2. 2 means 24 is a small number. So you can write down here. Now it is over. 24. Now 7, 5, 8. Which is the smallest number? 7 and 5. 5. So 50. Next you can write down 50. After that 7 and 8. Which is the smallest one? 7. So 72. After that 81. Like that you can arrange these numbers also. Okay children. Next. Now see. Now descending order. What do you mean descending order children? Yeah. When we numbers, we are arranged biggest number to smallest number. Yes, no? No. See, here for example, 20, 17, 12. Yes, we are going to up to down. Up to down means, see here what do you mean in descending order? Descending order means biggest to smallest, no? So first we can find which is the biggest one. Which is the biggest number. See 12, 17 and 20. Which is the biggest one? 20. After that 17 and 12 is there. Which is the biggest one? 17. After that 12. Okay children. See, descending means we can arrange biggest number to smallest number. This boy also, see, he is coming up to down. From up to down. Now here same like that. Examples are there. See, trees, balls, sticks, vehicles or things, and steps. See, biggest into smallest. See, trees also. We can arrange here, they can arrange here, tallest to shortest. First, tallest. They can arrange tallest. Okay, last one, shortest. Here, biggest to smallest. Biggest ball to, we can arrange only smallest ball. Now, sticks also. See here, thickest to thinnest. Thickest to thinnest. First we can arrange thick. Which is the thick one? Compare these all sticks. Which is the thick one? That only first you can find out. After that, thinnest. See. Now, vehicles. Heaviest to lightest. Heaviest vehicle first we can mention. After that, last we can find out lightest vehicle or lightest thing. Okay children? Now, see here, steps also, biggest to smallest. See, here steps are arranged from 1 to 20, no? But we can find only descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means we can arrange biggest to smallest. So what is the bigger one? 20. So we're going to down, right? We are going to down one by one, step by step. We're going to down. Last one is there. So we arranged here biggest to smallest. Are you understood, children, about descending order? Now, children, exercise 3.7. Now, write the given numbers in descending order. The first one has been done for you. See, first one has done. What is this? Ascending order or descending order? Descending order. Descending order means decreasing. Yes, decreasing means we can arrange numbers, big number to small number. Yes, children. First one, see, 21, 72, 81, 10. Which is the biggest one? We have all 2 digits, no? So, 2 digits means first we can compare tens place numbers. We can compare first of all tens place numbers. 2, 7, 8, 1. Which is the biggest number? 2, 7, 8, 1. 8. So, 81. You can write first one. After that, 2, 7, 1. Which is the biggest one? 7. So, we can mention first 7. After that, 2, 1 is there. So, 21. Last 10. Means we arranged here biggest number to smallest number. Like that, see second one. 29, 99, 63, 38. Now, we can arrange descending order. Descending order means we can arrange biggest number to smallest number. Now, we have all 2 digits, right? First, you can mention place values, ones and tens. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. Then, we compare only tens place numbers. Okay, children? Now, tens place numbers, 2, 9, 6, 3. Now, tell me, children, which is the big number? 2, 9, 6, 3. 9, right? So, 99. You can mention here 99. 99 is over. 2, 6, 3. Which is a big number? 6. Means 63. So, 63. Now, 2 and 3. Which is a big number? 3. 3 means 38. Last 29. Okay, children? It's very simple. See, for example, here we have 3 digits, no all. Then we compare only ones place, tens place and 100 place numbers. First we can compare 100 place numbers. But we have only 2 digit numbers means 2 numbers only. 2 digit numbers only. That's why we compare only tens place numbers. These 2 also you can do. Okay, children? Now next one. See. Write a number that is bigger and a number that is a smaller than the given number. The first one has been done for you. See, 55 dash, this side right side means bigger, left side means smaller. So, which number? Write a number, any number you can write here. But you compare this number, this side only smaller number, this side only bigger number you can write. See, for example, here 55 is there. Smaller number. Compared to this number, you can write only small number. So, 20 or 30, 45 up to 54. You can write any number. Okay, children? Now, bigger number. After 55, you can write any number. Okay, children? Like, write these 2 also. Okay? Now, see. Third one. Write any 5 numbers that are smaller than the given number. You can write here, children, smaller numbers. Here up to 99 is there, no? 99. Before numbers you can write. Before 99 numbers. Before 99 numbers you can write down. For example, I am writing here. See, 99. Before, for example, 98, 91, 89, 80, 72. These are, compared to this number, these are smaller numbers, right? So, before numbers you can write down. Okay, children? Now, see, this one also you can write like that only. Now, Write any 5 numbers that bigger numbers, the given number. See, 19 is there. You can write big numbers. Means after numbers you can write down. Okay children, 19. After 20, 23, 27, 28, 32. Any numbers you can write down. Okay children, but don't go before numbers. Only after numbers only you can write. Okay children, 38. Like that. Any numbers you can write down. Not only sequel. Any numbers, but that number you compare to this number, that number is a bigger number. Okay children, you can write this one only. Okay, now next revision exercise. Children, it's very simple. These are revision numbers, no? So very easy. See, revision exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct number. Write down dash comes after before. Before you can find out only before. You consider only before. So 92. What is the before number 92? 91. Okay. Now dash comes after 35. After 35, 36. Okay. After 12, 13. After before 48. Before means 47. Don't confuse ma. You can find, just you consider only before or after. What is there? Before or after or between. Okay children, be careful. But it's very easy for you. You can do after these all. Now, second one. Write the correct symbol. Less than, greater than and equal to. In the box provided between the following numbers. Children, you can write down which is a bigger one, which is a greater than and smaller one. See, 45 and 49. First ones and tens, ones and tens. You compare first to tens place numbers. Here 4 and here 4 also is there. Now we are going to ones place numbers. 5 and 9. Which is a bigger number? 5 or 9? 9. So this is a big number, no? So this side only dots. 2 dots you can come. It's coming. So what is this? Less than. Okay children? Now see B. 96 and 62. 96. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. Okay. Now you can compare tens place numbers. Here 9. Here 6 is there, right? Now tell me children, what is a big number? 6 or 9? Compare these two numbers. Which is a big number? 9. So this side. 2 dots will come. This side. Okay. Okay children, it's very easy. What is this symbol of? Greater than. Yes. Remaining all you can do after the class. Okay. Now look at here. Look at the sets of numbers and write whether they are in ascending order or in descending order. Now see children, numbers are there, but you can find only is that ascending order or descending order. See, A ascending order, E descending order. First B is the, see, look at here. 97, 50, 25. 9, how can you compare? You compare first place values, after that tens place numbers. 2, 5, 9. So first one big number only it is there, right? So after that 5 and 2. Which is a big one? 5. After that 2. Means this is descending order. You can write down descending order. See, they are writing no like this only. So like that you can find these all. Okay children, same like that only. Now last one. Write the missing numbers in the box so that the symbol shown is correct. See, 85 less than in the box. In that box, which number coming? 85 less than. 85 less than. So 85 is a small number. Yes, 85 is a small number. Why? Because here 2 dots showing right side, no? So this is definitely big number, no? So 86. Okay. Now see this one. Here box is there. What is this? Greater than. And 53. So compare this one. This is C. 2 dots showing left side. So this is big number, no? So you can write down big number compared to this number. 53 it is there. After you can write 54 or 55. Better. Okay. Like that only you can write these all. Okay, children? Are you understand, children? These all bits like ascending order, descending order, greater than, less than, and equal to, before numbers, after numbers, and between numbers. Okay, children? Thank you.